I'm Sabrina. I'm from Puchong. So firstly, my house is a triple-story house. So with the lift, it's actually much more easier for not only myself, but my family especially. Easier to go up and down without taking the stairs. Design-wise is very modern because I've never seen such a design before. And I like the fact that they allow us to choose like a various of colors. So it can actually match my own house concept as well. I actually came to know about Nibav from online through the internet. So after surveying a few companies, I find Nibav the most suitable one in terms of design especially, and how it serves its purpose to us as well. They are very, my friends and whoever that came in house before, they are quite surprised with the lift design. They've never seen such design before, and a very huge interest in having the similar lift in their future homes as well.